Alright, ladies and gents, this is your M240 machine gun. Shoots 7.62 millimeter caliber rounds. It's a beast, puts out a lot of power. I'm going to show you guys how to reassemble after field stripping. Watch and listen, you might learn something. Alright, this is your stock group, barrel assembly, bolt assembly, and this is your driving spring rod assembly. This is your trigger houses. First, you gotta put the bolt back in, making sure that you keep this up at all times so it slides through nice and easy. Your driving rod spring assembly. You're going to put back trigger housing assembly.
Alright, you on days, right? I'll let you know.
You're going to put back on your stock. Make sure that you keep it this way, upright. Make sure it snaps back in place. Last but not least, make sure you put your barrel assembly back on. Because without this, you can't shoot a damn thing. Make sure everything's level, straight, and you start clicking.
2% click.
At least here, 7 clicks. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Your answer.
That's it.
You get it.
That is your M240 reassembly. Let me show you what this got. Let me show you what these things do, guys. That's the reassembly of the M240.